If you think salicylic acid will magically fix your acne overnight, or that using more will give you glass skin in 2 days, then congratulations, you've been trained by the internet. Let's fix that. Salicylic acid is one of the most popular skincare ingredients. It goes deep into your pores, removes oil, and helps clear acne. Sounds perfect, right? Well, only if you stop using it like a weapon against your own face. Let's start with the first myth. People think salicylic acid is only for oily skin. Not true. Yes, it works great for oily skin, but dry and combination skin can use it too. The difference is simple. Use a lower concentration and moisturize properly. Otherwise, you're not treating acne, you're just creating a new problem called dryness. Now the second myth. Salicylic acid thins your skin. This one sounds serious, but it's wrong. What it actually does is remove dead skin cells and help your skin renew. So instead of making your skin weaker, it's actually helping it look better. Now comes the most dangerous myth. More is better. So people use it every day, sometimes twice a day, sometimes with 3 other acids like they're mixing a chemical experiment. And then they wonder why their skin is burning. Here's the truth. Overusing salicylic acid damages your skin barrier, which means more irritation, more redness, and yes, more breakouts. Your skin is not a lab project. Relax. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and let it work. Now let's talk about sunscreen. Some people use salicylic acid, and then step out in the sun like nothing happened. That's a mistake. After using it, your skin becomes more sensitive. No sunscreen means you're inviting pigmentation and damage. So if you're using salicylic acid, sunscreen is not optional. It's basic survival. Now another expectation people have. Instant results. You use it for 3 days, nothing changes, and suddenly the product is useless. That's not how skincare works. Salicylic acid takes time, usually 2 to 6 weeks. So if you're expecting miracles in 24 hours, you're watching too many ads. And finally, salicylic acid is breaking me out. Not always. What you might be seeing is purging. It means your skin is pushing out clogged pores faster. It looks worse before it gets better. So don't panic after 3 days and quit. Give it time. In the end, salicylic acid is not bad. It's not magical either. It works, if you use it properly. Not too much, not too little, because your skin doesn't need extreme experiments. It just needs consistency, and a little bit of common sense.